Welcome to lesson 14. Let's learn the grammar together now. How do we express the purpose in English? We use to, in order to, so as to, or we use so that, in order that, or we use the preposition for. Let's go through a few examples. To. The negative is not to. We have phrases that use objective case, such as want somebody to do something, need somebody to do something, would like somebody to do something, ask somebody to do something, tell somebody to do something. There is objective case after the verb. I want him to do it. She needs me to do it. Tell them to do it. I would like her to do it. I don't want him to do that. She doesn't want you to be there. Then we use to when we have the same subjects in two sentences, because we use infinitive with to in English. I will go home and I will watch TV. In English we can say, I will go home to watch TV. The negative, I will go home not to be late for my meeting, which I have at home. I will go home in order to watch TV. I will go home so as to watch TV. I will go home so as not to be late for my meeting. I will go home in order not to be late for my meeting. Then we use to for purpose. We use it to clean our car. He wears this to be dry. And there are a lot of phrases where we use to. It's impossible to do that. There is no chance to do that. It was a great opportunity to do that. We use so that when there are different subjects. I will go home because she wants that, she will be happy if I go home. So I will go home so that she is happy. There is no infinitive. There are basically two sentences connected with so that or in order that. We also use so that when we speak in negative in the second sentence or when there is a modal verb. You should leave so that you don't miss the train. Or you should leave so that you won't miss the train. I have to leave so that I can learn. Or I have to leave so that I could learn. She stopped the car so that she could answer her phone. And then we have the preposition for, which is very often used for purpose. We use this for cleaning. We wear this suit for protection. So you can see that for is followed by a noun. Another, other, the other, others, the others. What can we use? These basically mean like one more, or a different one, or different ones. Other is used as an adjective with plural nouns. I want to speak with other members too. Other people don't understand him. Or it can mean each other, one another. They loved each other. If we want to say every second one, we can also say every other. I visit her every other day. The other. The second one. I want the other one, please. The other boys were tired too. Or when we want to say recently, we can say the other day. Others. This is used as a pronoun. Some children were sad, others were happy. There were many others doing the same thing. The others. Ask the others. Those other ones. The others took it seriously. Another. This is formed from an other. Another. You should find it only with countable nouns in singular, but it's not so easy. We can very often find it with uncountable nouns in singular because we can find it in restaurants. Like if you want another beer, another one please. It means one more. Or it can mean a different one. I want another one. We usually don't use another in plural. But if it means a whole, then we can use that. I want to run another 5 miles. I want another 2 beers. So, such. We use so with adjectives. She's so beautiful. It's so nice. Or with adverbs. I love you so much. Such. We use such with nouns. He is such a hero. Or with an adjective plus a noun. She is such a nice woman. Keep plus ing form of a verb. Or keep on doing something. Keep doing something. She keeps smiling. She kept smiling. This means that a person does something all the time, repeatedly, constantly.